Are you making a design and are unable to find a brand logo? In this video, I'll help solve that problem. So first, head over to this website. This is called brandfetch.com. I've put the link in the description so you can click on it and go here. You'll find that they have a lot of different brands and their logos. So let's say I want the logo of Wise. This is a payment processor. I can click here and it will redirect me to this page where all the assets are available. And you can download the SVG or JPEG or PNG file. The SVG file is a vector file. This is the best one. If you download the SVG file and you try to zoom in and out of the SVG file, you'll find that it does not become blurry when you zoom in. But with a JPEG or a PNG file, it will become blurry. So this is one of the reasons why I would suggest getting an SVG file. Just click on this download. If you hover on any of these, you can click on download from here. And this is now going to download it to your computer. And now if you're using Canva, they have an app for this. So I can go inside the design and I will show you how that works. So on the left hand side, you'll find apps, and then inside it, search for brand fetch. You'll have this icon, click it. And now you can just enter the brand name. Let's say, for example, Wise again. And you will have this. If I click on it, I will find all the logos inside it with colors and images as well. I can just click on one of them and it's going to insert the logo inside our design. Simple and easy. So this is how you can find brand logo for free using brandfetch.com. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.